Oh my God. Oh my God. This right here, this is my 100th video that I'm recording in less than 100 days. Yes, that's right. Oh my God, it feels good. Did I think I would get here? Yeah, I kind of did think I would get here, but it was hard. So I want to thank you. I want to thank you for listening, for supporting me. Let me show you the analytics. I have to show you the proof. You can't just believe what I say. Come on, let's look. Now this is my channel. You see down here, hold on, let me get the little marker. I started, let me turn that green down. I started February 23rd, 2024. Wow. February 23rd, 2024. It's like, seems like a long time ago now to me. It's like, so many things has happened with my family. Like, life still goes on even while you're doing YouTube. It's like, and I'm like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this challenge that I put on myself? I'm like, well, I wanted to make 100 videos within less than 100 days, and I'm new at this. This is not like this is my second or third channel, like I've already been doing this. This is like from the beginning, right? And I was like, stuff happens with the family, stuff happens with everything. So this is where I started though, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. So I was here, right? And then, but how do you know how many days it's been? Well, I use a day calculator, okay, people? That's how I know. So I started February 23rd, 2024. This is today, right now, as I'm recording. This is now. And then down here, it says it's 98 days. It's 98 days. And let me tell you, and how many videos do I have right now? This is how many I have right now. Woo! It took a minute. It took a minute to get here. It took a minute. So 99 videos are posted right now while we're talking. This is the 100th, and it'll go up. So like I said, I have to thank all you ladies and gentlemen for just riding with me, for listening, subscribing, viewing it over and over, trusting the information. I love facts. I love bringing it to you. So this is the thing. I love information. My personality type is INTJ, for everybody who knows what that is, okay? Only thing I do is absorb information, okay? I absorb it, and then I love to share it. That's the thing about my personality type. So stocks, crypto, anything, market moving, market going down, up and down. Hey, I want to talk about it. So people who want to listen to that, I'm your girl. I'm here for that. I was made for that. Because, hey, what's better than that? What's better than that? So when you have some knowledge and empowerment, right? Things are based on facts. So knowledge based on facts. Some empowerment, believing you can do it. Because you can believe in yourself. When you see that technical analysis, what? When we're looking at that chart together and we can see buying on some support, hey, what? I love that. Then I feel empowered. You know, okay, I'm buying on a support level. I could ride that stock up. Let's make money together. So I just love doing that, sharing that and everything. Thank you for, tuning in, like I said. And I'm going to make a video, of course, about the mindset it took to make 100 videos in 98 days. So less than 100. Because that's not like easy when you've never done this before. That kind of grind, okay? So I'll make a video about that. But I said before I leave you, I wanted to tell you this, okay? You need, and me, both of us together, I see you, you see me, I see you. We need to be the person we want in our life, okay? So when I do this, right, when I did this challenge, I said, yeah, I'm going to do it. Why? Because I want my family to know. I want my son to know. Okay? I want my family to know that just don't give up. Show up. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Miss Moneymaker.